This cake is full of flavors and textures. There's no added sugar, but it's sweet and it's gluten-free. Let's start pitting dates. Let's open it, and there's the pits, and it comes out very easy. And soak it in boiling water for about 5 minutes. These are the dates that I soak in boiling water. Peeling sweet potato, grating it. I have been developing recipes from sweet potatoes, from savories to sweets. Today is another surprise from sweet potato. I could probably use 3 eggs for this recipe. Butter, it's already soft. Chestnut flour for gluten-free cake. Chopped walnuts. Date puree. Sweet potato. Baking powder. Ground cinnamon. Orange zest. This cake is full of flavors. And mix it. If the cake mixture is thick, you can add milk or water. Ready to bake in preheated oven. Smells so good. Remove the parchment paper before you can have your slice.